Okay, this videos are for fans. I'm not really a fan of Fruit Playground. I just played this thing. I just wanted to try it out. As you know, as you try it, as you look at my video, you can see that I make regular just melon videos, and I make a part 1. I haven't made a part 2 since then because it's already getting too late. But okay. Well, this is a tutorial guide on how to. So if you're looking, this is the right video. So before you go onto the thing, you just want to go to Google, right? You just want to go here, type whatever character that you want on your thing. Example for for example, let's say a Roblox image. It does not have to be a face. It can be anything. Anything. It might look a little weird because it's not a face. That's why. But it doesn't have to be a face. It can be anything that you try to do. I'm gonna do this again. Okay. For people who didn't see, okay, hold. You're gonna hold and then press download image. And then after you do that, you're gonna go hop back in to Fruit Playground. And then after that, after you hop back in, you're gonna go to the editor. And then we're gonna go do some steps. And also, if you want more videos, more guide videos about how to do the other stuff, like how to create an item, how to create a weapon, well, stay tuned for those. Well, you go over here to new fruit. Oh yeah, okay, for people who didn't see. Okay, go here to new fruit, go press this. That's the only thing. And then I'm gonna want you to just only go to main options and then go to load icon. See it in the screen over there. And then it might not work for you guys, but yeah. I guess I'll just use like, this thing. No, I already have. What should I use? This one, for example. Yeah. You can type in whatever guide. Okay. You can make it just optional. Yeah, you can just leave it there. Mostly I just put restrictions, but you don't have to do it. This juice color, this changes your color, the color of your character. I mean, not the color of your character. I mean, like the blood of your character. So you can change it to black and stuff. So we're gonna change it to this color, gray. As you can see, yeah, gray. Yeah, gray. Okay. Let us say this is gray for now. Let's go back and go to texture, and then you can see over here, this is where you make the size. Let's say the perfect one is 8. Okay. The perfect one is 8. And for the head, this is where the part is actually for the head. I was wrong about the other thing, but let's just continue the guide and I'll tell you what's wrong. Okay, so I picked this as the no, right? No. I picked this as the head, right, guys? Yeah, this. Okay. Go ahead and adjust it about to 500. No. Okay. You're gonna go here. Remember, 459 to 500. Okay. Only that. Okay. So 459. I'm only saying this because this is actually the greatest amount. This is actually the greatest amount, and I'm not lying. As you can see on the screen, it's the greatest amount. Or you can use 458. That's not any difference, okay? And I don't know what a bone texture does. But yeah, guys, that's when you're done of making your character, go to save, and also if you want to like test it out, you can press spawn to test it out and stuff. Go and heal it. After that, you have your own thing. You have it there. Let me show you that it actually in the game. So you might want to save it and then go back. And then go to play whatever map. I'm gonna pick this one and then boom, you have it. You have it. It should be there. It should be on the heart thingy. There. Is it there? Oops. Okay, yeah. See? There. I just create my own custom thing. There. You have it there. That's all for today. Thank you if you liked this video, and you're welcome if the guide is useful. But again, like for more videos like this. There's only gonna be 2 videos like this. Even though if you don't like, I'm still gonna make more videos about this. So stay tuned, guys. Bye.